How to fix aircon leaking problem. Many Singaporeans do complain that their air conditioner leak water often and they have no idea on how to fix the problem. This video focuses on the main causes on air conditioner leakages and how to fix the problem. How can you fix aircon leaking problem? When it comes to fixing a leaking air conditioner, there are few crucial aspects you need to consider. Normally, there are 4 common reasons for this specific problem and they include dirty filters, blocked drains, shortage of refrigerant and improper installation. 1. Dirty filters. When the filter of the heat exchanging coils is unclean, then it can actually lead to restricted airflow. To fix this problem, you first need to check the filter. If the filter is grimy, use a hose pipe to properly clean all the dirt. On the other hand, if the filter is filled with a lot of dirt and grime, use a backyard spray bottle or a sturdy kitchen cleaner to remove the dirt. 2. Blocked drain. Blocked drain is another big problem that could cause the aircon to leak. If the drain is clogged, water may leak from the back of the unit or through the aircon outlet. To fix this problem, thoroughly check the air conditioner tray by standing on a small ladder. Make sure that the tray is not overflowing or full. Also clean the end of the pipe outside to clear any sort of blockages. 3. Refrigerant loss. If the air conditioner is not able to provide enough cooling air into the house and then the aircon begins to leak, there must be something wrong with the refrigerant. To fix that problem, you need to first change the setting of the heat pump to the lowest level and allow it to run that way for some time. Then check the heat exchanging coils located under the filter. If the coil is covered with ice, then your aircon has a water leakage and need to be repaired. 4. Correct installation. The air conditioner can start leaking if it not properly installed. To fix this problem, check to see if the unit is in level. If it is in level, go ahead and look for any closed vents in the house. This is because the closed vent can sometimes add pressure causing the valve to leak. If you are not able to fix the problem by yourself, call a professional to fix the problem for you.